everybody, how are you? Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics. We have a very nice Sonoma day. I don't know if you can see that. It's 79 degrees out. And I only bring that up because this beautiful Mustang has been running for well over an hour while I'm shooting all the photos, and the temperature is just dead center and it's running beautifully. I've had the lights going, I've turned the car on and off. I've just kind of, it's just going through all the motions and the car's just working great. It's a nice driving car. And check out the description and the engine and all that. It's very cool. This is a really nice old Mustang that's had a very short owner list, like in the same family, I think, since 1970. Always kind of kept indoors and taken care of, and things fixed when it's needed. Let's take a ride. Sorry about all the wind noise. I got the, obviously the top is down. Gets through the gears, goes through the gears beautifully. The suspension feels fine. The braking's good. It runs very smoothly and beautifully. So there you go. Be sure to check out all the photos, and boy, there's going to be a lot of them. The rest of the video, check us out on YouTube. Over 6 million views on our YouTube channel as of early 2019. I don't know what it is now as we're getting towards the end of the year. We've got we're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Honestly, I don't have a lot of time to post, but I try to. So if you can go subscribe, that'd be cool. Maybe I'll post more stuff when I see more people. Check us out on Wheeler Dealers. 2 episodes so far. I think a 3rd coming. I'm going to know next week for sure. Season 11 episode 8, season 15 episode 8, and that's it. Thanks for visiting us at leftcoastclassics.com, and thanks for checking out the super cool 69 Mustang. All right, so let's walk under this California Mustang. And, you know, there's oil under here from previous leaks that no longer exist. And apparently it's done a really fantastic job of preserving the undercarriage over its life. I understand this has never been cleaned, so you're looking at its original grime. But the undercarriage is just beautiful. There's no rust, no rot, nothing. Just very original, great undercarriage.